Finally, I have the Tuono 457. This is the naked beast of the RS 457. I was waiting since a long time to get my hands on this motorcycle, and this is a walk around review of the Tuono 457. I know you have seen ton of videos where people have shown about this bike, but on my perspective I will show you a different angle. This is not going to be a spec sheet review of the 457. As I can see, the front part, it is very minimalistic. It is very small when compared to the RS 457, and that's how a naked motorcycle should look like. It loses out on the fairing. There is no fairing on the left hand side and the right hand side of the motorcycle, but yes, on the handlebar you can see it is a raised upright position. I will sit on this motorcycle and also show you how this bike feels like. But the meter console, the engine casing, suspension, the chassis, rims, alloy wheels, everything is same. This bike also gets a quick shifter, which will be optional. It is not present on this motorcycle. But when I look at the front end, here the indicator is not integrated into the DRLs. It is a separate unit over here. And as of now, we cannot take out this motorcycle because the registration is not yet done. But whenever this bike is out on the road, you will get a first ride review, and it will be a city ride review, not a professional ride review. Now I will sit on this motorcycle and show you how it feels like when a person of 5 feet 9 inches sits on the Tuono 457. I am 5 feet 9. When I sit on the motorcycle, you can see the handlebar position. It is very much upright. On my RS, the clip-ons are placed over here, but on this motorcycle, it is quite raised up. When I talk about the foot pegs position is exactly same as the RS 457. Same goes with the seat height also. So seat height, foot peg position, everything remains the same. And another thing that I can notice is this meter console, it is raised quite upright. On the RS 457, it is a lot flatter, but on this it is raised upright because the rider also sits in this position, and this is a very comfortable position. And right now I feel like if I had the Tuono 457, it would have been really great. Let's see if I get a chance to own this motorcycle. Definitely I would love to. So this is the white color variant. We also have a red color variant which is there on display. This is the red color variant, and you can see it gets all these red accents over here. The tank is also black and red in combination, but what I feel is I like white color more than red color. That's why I went for the white variant of the RS 457 and not the red one. But anyone who likes the Aprilia signature color can definitely go for this motorcycle. And when I look at the rear end of this motorcycle, the tail is also exactly same. The tail light, all the fender, everything is same. Even the tire size is same. What I came to know that the power figures and torque figures is exactly same, but the final drive is changed on the Tuono 457. It is made for city rides. That's why it gets a lot more torqueier in the lower rev band, and that happens because the rear sprocket has an additional teeth. And if you want to go for the same chain sprocket system that is there on the RS 457, then the final drive ratio will be exactly same. And it, as usual, it does not get any adjustable levers. It has all the accessories which is there for the RS 457. Those accessories will be part of the Tuono 457 as well. So yeah, this was a complete walk around review of the Tuono 457 for you guys on this channel. Let me know how did you find this walk around review, and also don't forget to post your thoughts in the comment section below. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.